All right, our mission today is a deep dive into the Blitz Win Cash App. You might have seen it, blitzapp.io.
Ah, yes, that one.
It's pretty heavily advertised, promising real cash just for playing simple games, things like solitaire, bingo, pool.
Yeah, the pitch is definitely attractive.
Yeah.
Compete, win tournaments, cash out super easy, PayPal, Apple Pay. Sounds almost too good.
Exactly. They talk about having over 1 million players, paying out, real prizes.
Which leads right to the big question everyone asks first. Is it just a scam?
Right.
And, well, the immediate aha moment is, strictly speaking, no, it's actually a real app.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's on the App Store. Has pretty decent reviews, actually. It's like 4.5, 4.6 stars, something like that.
Yeah.
And the crucial part, people have managed to withdraw small amounts. It does pay out sometimes.
Okay, hold on. That's a really key point. If it's legitimate, if it actually pays people, and sources like Scam Advisor give it a perfect score, why all the warnings? Why are we even flagging it as high risk? There has to be a catch.
There is.
Yeah.
And that's where the technical legitimacy bumps up against the user experience. It's legal because it frames itself as skill-based competition, not, illegal gambling.
Skill-based, meaning?
Meaning to play for real cash prizes, you generally have to deposit your own money first.
Ah, okay. There it is.
Yeah. You pay an entry fee for the paid matches, and you compete against other players. The app, they just take a cut of those entry fees.
Yeah.
That's their business model. It keeps the lights on, pays some winners, keeps it technically sound.
But wow, that sounds like a really slippery slope. The second your own money is on the line, the risk just skyrockets, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
Our sources were pretty clear on this. It stops feeling like just playing solitaire and starts feeling much more like, well, gambling maybe, but with skill involved.
That's a good way to put it. Gambling with the skill element.
Yeah.
Because you're up against potentially much better players. The average person just looking to make a few bucks, their odds aren't great. You might lose that deposit fast.
They sort of prey on the casual player who sees bingo and not the fine print about the competition level.
Precisely. And the way the money works inside the app can be confusing. Let's talk about withdrawals.
Yeah, I read about that. The bonus cash issue?
Exactly that. A lot of users find a big chunk of their balance isn't actual withdrawable cash. It's bonus cash.
It is.
It's often like starter credit they give you, or maybe a small boost on winnings, but you can't just take it out.
So it's stuck in the app.
Pretty much. It sort of forces you to use it to enter more paid games, hoping to eventually convert it into real money you can withdraw.
Yeah.
It keeps you playing, keeps you paying entry fees.
Wow, that makes getting your money out much harder. Were there other withdrawal issues flagged besides the bonus cash thing?
Yes, we saw some reports of a pattern that pops up with these kinds of platforms. Players who start winning consistently, suddenly they face new hurdles. Like being asked for complicated ID verification, but only after they start trying to pull out larger amounts. It makes you wonder, so while the app itself isn't fake, getting your winnings, especially if you do well, might not be straightforward.
Okay, so let's try and put this all together then. What's the final verdict from what we've seen?
Well, the app is legitimate, technically. It's not an outright scam stealing your data or anything.
Right, people do win.
People do win, yes, but, and this is the big but, it's structured in a way that makes it a really poor choice if you're looking for a reliable way to make money. It's almost designed to disappoint if you treat it like a side hustle.
So not a source of income.
Definitely not. The message here has to be use it for fun, for entertainment only, and go in knowing it's high risk.
Like entertainment you pay for, potentially.
Exactly. You might win a few dollars here and there, maybe break even for a bit, but the fees, the skill gap, that bonus cash system, odds are you'll spend more time and maybe more money than you ever get back. Responsibility is crucial.
Thinking about that bonus cash structure, how much of your balance might be trapped? It really makes you think. How does the app use those few really high-skill players, the one who actually are winning consistently, to keep encouraging deposits from everybody else? The average player is just trying to turn that bonus cash into something real.
That's a very sharp question. It implies the winners are almost part of the mechanism, encouraging more deposits from the wider base.
Yeah, something to definitely keep in mind the next time you see one of those ads promising an easy payday for playing a game.